Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. You might be wondering why BTC went up and all other altcoins are going up, but TLM, the alien world, is going down. Why? Well, here is the reason. You can see the trading volume is going down. You need this volume to go up. That is the only way, or that is the only indication that TLM is gonna move on the upside direction. And if we take a look at the circulating supply, it's only 9%, and it's gonna, till we reach the 100%, the price would be, shaky. It's not gonna move on the upside direction until we get the 100% supply. But we can see some moves on the upside. As you can see here, this is the chart of TLM. If we take a look at all the price action from the day one till the last day today, you can see the momentum here. The momentum was huge, and you saw price made a V shape, then price came down again. Then from here you can see the only phase of accumulation was this one. The only phase of accumulation, I would write it here. This is the only phase of accumulation where you try to accumulate, try to buy a TLM, and it makes a good spot. So this was the bottom for the TLM, and after that you see the price went up again, came down, went up. Now if we take a look at the closer look at the current price scenario, it is making a new spot, which is a good sign for the TLM. If you want any good sign, it means this is the current scenario here, because price has been getting rejected from this area 0.27 like it did here. Just try to compare these two. Okay, just take a look at these two areas. You're gonna find similar pattern. So we might going to see accumulation at this zone, maybe around here 0.27 to 0.25. This could be our next base, and if it continued like this one, okay, if it continues like this one, we might going to see a pump towards the 0.41. This would be our next target, as we have seen in the past. You can see here this area has been rejected, and we might going to see this area. This is the vital area 0.41. okay, so we might going to see a move on the upside. Once we get accumulation is done, we might going to see this one. Right now, if we take a look at the volume and compare the volume with the candles on the upside, just take a look at the volume is very low, as I have told you already. If you go to the coin market cap, you just take a look at the volume, it's down. And why it's down, you can say the other altcoins, the major altcoins are going up, so people might be selling from the TLM and investing into other altcoins. This usually happens, but the price follows. First BTC moves up, then with that other major altcoins move up, and then the mid cap coins, then the low cap coins. This is the circle, this is the pattern which every altcoins follow. So if it continues to make spot at this area, we might going to see a move on the upside. So this is the only scenario which I see right now. Okay, we need to stay above this level of 0.27 to 0.25. Otherwise, if it breaks further, then next target would be 0.197. okay, and today is Sunday, so tomorrow would be Monday. That would be a day of volatility, so be ready, be prepared for it as well. We might going to see a wick down. Usually we see Mondays as the volatility day. So I think this is pretty much it. I don't have to say anything else right now. This is what I think. The accumulation needs to stay above, our price needs to stay above this level. So that is it from my side, guys. That was the price analysis of TLM USDT pair alien worlds. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.